everybody, I wanted to read a book to you guys today about rocks because this week in science we're going to be learning about dirt, rocks, and soil. The book that I brought to read to you guys today is called Rocks, Hard, Soft, Smooth, and Rough. The author is Natalie M. Rosinski and the illustrator is Matthew John. Take a look at that title page. What do you think is happening there? Looks like maybe a big rock is falling down a mountain. Here's our table of contents. It tells us what different information we can find in our book. If I look on page 22, I'll see that there are some cool activities that I can do. The story of rocks. See the rock on your feet? Pick it up. Hold it in your hands. Is it smooth and sparkly? Is it soft and sandy? Is it marked with the shape of a shell? Look closely at a rock and you can learn its story. Fun fact. Some rocks are 4 billion years old. That's 4,000,000,000,000 years. Think of all the stories rocks can tell. A lot of things can happen to rocks. They can crack. They can break into a million tiny pieces. They can be pressed or squeezed together. Rocks can even melt. Pools of hot, melted rock hide deep inside the earth. Fun fact, the ground underneath oceans, fields, beaches, and forests is rock. You might see specks or larger stripes of different colors in your rock. These specks and stripes are different kinds of minerals. Minerals are the basic building blocks of rocks. Rubies and diamonds are minerals. People carve them into gems that sparkle in necklaces and rings. Here's a fun fact. Diamonds are the hardest natural things in the world. Diamonds are so strong they can even cut through steel. Igneous rocks. Rocks form in 3 ways. In the first way, melted rock bubbles up from inside the earth. Then it cools down and becomes hard igneous rock. If your rock looks like black glass, it may be obsidian. Obsidian is an igneous rock that bubbled up from inside the earth and cooled off above the ground. Rough, freckled granite is an igneous rock that cooled underground. Fun fact, Native Americans once carved obsidian into sharp knives and arrowheads. Speckled granite is often used for gravestones and countertops. Sedimentary rocks. Rocks also form when the sand and other natural things are squeezed together until they turn around. This second kind of rock is called sedimentary rock. These rocks are a little softer than igneous rocks. Plants, animal bodies, shells, and sand, chips of other rocks all pile up on the bottom of oceans and rivers. This mixture is called sediment. As the mixture piles up, it gets heavy, and the sediment at the bottom gets squeezed together. It turns harder and harder until it is rock, sedimentary rock. This rock can take millions of years to form. Fun fact, in cliffs and canyons, you can sometimes see different layers of sediment. Some layers are as tall as skyscrapers. If you see grains of crumbly sand in your rock, it might be sandstone. Dull and gritty, sandstone is a sedimentary rock made of sand, red, brown, green, or yellow. Fun fact, some Native Americans once lived in homes in sandstone cliffs. If you see squiggles and bumps from little shells and skeletons in your rock, it might be limestone. Limestone, another sedimentary rock, is made of shells from ocean animals that lived a long time ago. Fun fact, today people use limestone to make sidewalks and buildings. Metamorphic rocks. The third kind of rock is made from other rocks. Heat and pressure deep inside the earth can change rocks from one kind to another. Metamorphic rocks can come from igneous or sedimentary rock. After time, the heat and pressure can even turn a metamorphic rock into a new metamorphic rock. If your rock is hard and full of colorful swirls, it might be marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock made from limestone that cooked inside the earth. Artists carve marble into statues that tell their own special stories. Rocks are all around you. Rocks lie at your feet or sit silently by the river's edge. Rocks make a giant cliff, a magnificent building, or a grand sculpture. Rocks hang around your neck or sparkle on your fingers. Look closely at them. What stories do these rocks tell? And then check out this cool chart they made of different kinds of rock and what they might look like, what it might feel like, and how people use it. Thank you guys for joining me with a story today. I hope you go outside and find lots of really cool rocks to share.